Welcome to Autos Vehicles, where we break down the latest machines shaping the future of two wheels. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Honda CRF 750L in red, a middleweight dual sport that blends rally-inspired toughness with everyday versatility. This model targets riders who want one motorcycle to commute during the week, explore dirt on the weekend, and still feel confident on long-distance adventures. Design philosophy and red color identity. The 2026 CRF 750L carries Honda's unmistakable CRF DNA, sharp lines, slim proportions, and a purposeful stance. The bold red color isn't just classic Honda. It reinforces the bike's racing heritage while keeping it instantly recognizable. The high-mounted front fender, narrow waist, and aggressive tank shrouds contribute to excellent rider mobility. Whether standing on the pegs off-road or seated on the highway, Honda's attention to fit and finish shows in the durable plastics, reinforced mounting points, an overall rugged build meant to withstand real-world abuse. Engine and performance overview. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a refined 750cc parallel twin engine tuned for broad, usable power. Rather than chasing peak horsepower figures, Honda focuses on strong low and mid-range torque, making the bike predictable and confidence-inspiring across mixed terrain. Throttle response is smooth, helping riders maintain traction on loose surfaces, while still delivering enough punch for highway overtakes. The engine's balance reduces vibration, which is crucial for long rides and multi-day touring. Transmission and ride control. Paired with a slick 6-speed gearbox, the CRF 750L offers precise gear changes and well-spaced ratios. Lower gears are optimized for technical trails and slow-speed control, while taller gears keep revs relaxed at cruising speeds. Honda's optional dual-clutch transmission concept influences the tuning philosophy, even in the manual version, emphasizing seamless power delivery. Rider-selectable modes adjust throttle response and traction settings, allowing quick adaptation to pavement, gravel, or dirt without overcomplicating the experience. Chassis and frame engineering. The lightweight steel frame of the CRF 750L strikes a balance between rigidity and flexibility. Honda engineers design it to absorb trail impacts while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The geometry favors neutral handling, making the bike easy to manage for intermediate riders, yet rewarding for experienced ones. A reinforced subframe supports luggage and a passenger, reinforcing the bike's adventure-ready credentials without adding unnecessary bulk. Suspension setup and off-road capability. Suspension is a highlight of the 2026 CRF 750L. Long travel front forks and a rear monoshock are fully adjustable, allowing riders to dial in settings based on load and terrain. On rocky trails, the suspension absorbs sharp hits with composure, while on-road damping keeps the bike planted through corners. The setup encourages standing riding posture and confident line selection, key traits for riders who push beyond maintained roads. Braking system and safety features. Honda equips the CRF 750L with strong, progressive disc brakes front and rear. The braking feel is predictable, providing confidence during steep descents or emergency stops. Switchable ABS is a major advantage, letting riders disable rear wheel ABS for off-road riding while retaining front wheel safety. Combined with traction control, the system enhances control without interfering with rider intent. A balance Honda consistently delivers well. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Ergonomics are tailored for long hours in the saddle. The seat height is adventure-appropriate yet manageable, with a narrow midsection that helps shorter riders reach the ground. The handlebar position encourages an upright posture, reducing fatigue on long rides. Foot pegs are positioned for both seated comfort and standing control, while wind protection from the compact screen offers relief at highway speeds without limiting off-road visibility. Technology and instrumentation. The 2026 CRF 750L features a modern digital display that presents essential information clearly. Speed, gear position, ride modes, fuel range, and navigation connectivity are accessible at a glance. Smartphone integration allows riders to manage calls, music, and navigation prompts, enhancing touring convenience. Honda keeps the interface intuitive, avoiding unnecessary complexity while still delivering modern functionality. Fuel efficiency and range. Efficiency is a core strength of the CRF 750L. The engine's tuning emphasizes economical cruising, making it suitable for long-distance travel without constant refueling. A generously sized fuel tank supports extended range, ideal for remote adventures where fuel stops are scarce. This balance of performance and efficiency reinforces the bike's reputation as a true go-anywhere machine, on-road behavior and daily usability. Despite its off-road focus, the CRF 750L feels composed on pavement. The chassis remains stable at highway speeds, and cornering manners are predictable for a dual sport of this size. Daily commuting is made easier by smooth throttle response, manageable weight, and excellent visibility in traffic. The red colorway also enhances road presence, ensuring the bike stands out without being flashy. Off-road confidence and adventure readiness. Where the CRF 750L truly shines is beyond the pavement. Its balanced weight distribution, responsive suspension, and torquey engine make it capable on gravel roads, forest trails, and desert tracks. The bike encourages exploration, giving riders confidence to venture further off the beaten path. Protective elements like skid plates and hand guards add durability, reinforcing its adventure-ready nature. Customization and accessories. Honda supports the CRF 750L with a wide range of accessories. Luggage systems, crash protection, auxiliary lighting, and comfort upgrades allow riders to tailor the bike to their needs. Whether set up for weekend trail rides or long-haul touring, the platform adapts easily. The red bodywork pairs well with both minimalist and fully equipped adventure builds. Target audience and rider profile. The 2026 Hunda CRF 750L is aimed at riders seeking versatility without compromise. It suits adventure enthusiasts who want reliable performance, approachable handling, and proven Honda durability. Newer riders will appreciate its forgiving nature, while experienced riders will value its balanced design and real-world capability. It's a motorcycle built for riders who measure journeys in experiences rather than destinations. Reliability and Honda engineering legacy. Honda's reputation for reliability underpins the CRF 750L. Engine longevity, low maintenance requirements, and widespread service support make it a dependable choice for global travel. The engineering philosophy prioritizes durability over gimmicks, ensuring the bike performs consistently across diverse environments and conditions. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hunda CRF 750L Red stands as a compelling, middleweight adventure dual sport. It blends rugged off-road capability with everyday comfort, modern technology, and classic Honda reliability. For riders looking for a single motorcycle that can handle city streets, open highways, and unpaved trails with equal confidence, the CRF 750L delivers a well-rounded, future-ready package. Stay tuned to Auto's Vehicles for more in-depth motorcycle insights and reviews.